Na, nababo ka balen? Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wearin Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services sa Wearin Pampanga community natin. For today's vlog, guys, we would like to thank Baked Sushi by Chanty. If you notice on our table, of course, we have our baked sushi on our right side. And on our left, we have our baked lasagna. Before we get into taste testing this, let me read some information about the way how it goes with their products, okay? For the baked kalimaki, yung small tray natin, which is 8x8, it's only 600 pesos. Comes with 6 packs of nori plus sriracha sauce. So these are sriracha sauce. Later on, it's gonna spice up our, baked maki. For solo orders naman, it is only 150 pesos. It comes with 1 pack of nori and 1 sriracha sauce. If you want additional nori, add 25 pesos lang tayo dyan. And then for the baked lasagna, it's 550 pesos for this size. It comes with 10 pieces of garlic bread. Now, for solo orders, guys, ang mura. It's only 70 pesos plus 1 garlic bread. For the people in Angeles City, they're gonna deliver your order for free. Meron lamang po siyang minimum of 2 orders, okay? Ngayon, kung hindi mo na maubos yung 2 orders and you just want 1 solo order, just add 20 pesos. They're gonna deliver it to your house. Now, this is one important announcement from them. There is an ongoing promo for Father's Day. Yung pong baked kalimaki nila is just 550 pesos. So that's slash 50 pesos. Book on or before June 18. You get 50 pesos off if you book on or before June 18. Now, kung mapapanood mo naman ito ng after June 18, tapos na yung Father's Day, you can still enjoy this at any, celebration or day, or even just a simple day. Make it sparkly with this dishes. So, let's get into the taste testing. I think I'm gonna go first with the baked maki. Okay, so the baked maki comes with the sriracha sauce. Let's taste first without the sriracha sauce. So again, I did the normal thing, nori plus baked maki, one whole thing. Wow. Siguro may mango to. I think so. No? It's so refreshing. What I like about it is yung rice niya, guys, it's not dry. It is actually those, parang large grains yung ginamit niya. So on top niya, guys, you have your crab sticks, yung California maki mixture. Oh, guys, I don't know how they call it, pero grabe, this is, what I like about it, again, it's not dry. Let's do another one. This time we're gonna put sriracha sauce. Oh man! So let's taste it. Oh wow. So actually yung sriracha sauce nila, guys, it's not the typical dadagdag ka lang ng hotness or spiciness. It actually has a flavor. So yeah, let's proceed with the baked lasagna. So yung lasagna na, guys, has 5 layers or 4 layers, I think so. And then it is so meaty. Obviously naman, makikita nyo, it's so meaty. Ang dami niyang ground meat, mushroom, and your cheese. Siyempre, cheese is important, guys. Oh wow. So I always say this, guys, this dish is an Italian dish, and what I like about kapag ganito yung nasa-serve nila is they keep it authentic as possible, meaning walang Filipino-ish taste. And then the cheese, it's so creamy. What I like about it is cheese is so creamy. Oh wow. Ooh, wow. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Again, I'm not gonna bore you more than you watch me eat the food that they bring us sa bahay. I hope you can taste them as well. So let us show support with one another, show support with this, mga gusto magpakilala sa atin. And lalong-lalo na, guys, they have a Father's Day promo, so make sure to, make use of that, take advantage of that one. Hopefully, you can enjoy your, small, intimate celebration with your family with these dishes. So, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.